The Marine Corps was founded on November 10, 1775 in Toon Tavern in Philadelphia, 8 months before the Declaration of Independence was signed. No matter their job, mechanic, cook, or pilot, every Marine is trained first and foremost as a rifleman. This philosophy ensures that all Marines can fight if needed. Meaning always faithful in Latin, Semper Fidelis represents lifelong loyalty to the Corps, to fellow Marines, and to the country. In 1805, after capturing Derna, in modern-day Libya, Marines raised the American flag, the first time it flew on foreign soil during combat. Marines earned the nickname Leathernecks because they used to wear high leather collars in the 1700s and 1800s to protect their necks from sword slashes. The iconic eagle, globe, and anchor symbol has deep meaning. This emblem was adopted in 1868 and remains a powerful symbol of Marine identity.